Hey guys, so in this video, finally the website is done. Why I made the website in the first place, why I had a domain name even before it crossed my mind to make a website, what now? So, TheArtmann.com, there it is, finally. It took way longer than it should have because I don't know shit about websites. I had to learn everything from zero, and in this almost 2 weeks, I guess I deleted the website like 2, 3 or 8 times and I started all over again. But it's done for now. I mean, there are still small things that I have to make here and there, but there it is. So on the homepage, you will see a lot about my YouTube videos and YouTube videos and YouTube videos and so on. Also a lot of links that will redirect on my YouTube channel because this is my main thing. My YouTube channel is my main thing. The website is just secondary, to say it like this. But it's not just promoting my YouTube videos here. For example, what makes a difference is now the download page. The download page contains, for now, just all the recovery images that I previously had on YouTube in the description of every Chrome OS video. They are not there anymore. Now they are all on my website and you can download them from here. Another advantage that I have here with the website is that I can also announce in advance what will come on this page. Like in this case, Chrome OS version 100 will come soon. So yeah, soon I will add Chrome OS version 100 here along with 93 and 94, which I consider that this is a good thing. But why I decided to move everything here? Well, it's basically YouTube's fault. What happens every time when I have to change something in the description of my videos, for example, 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago when I added the buy me a coffee link, and by the way, thank you very much for all those who suggested that I should make something like this, and a big thanks for those who already donated and supported me on this page. I never expected that people will actually want to support me in what I do, but YouTube saw it different because when I added the link, and it's not just this link, it happened also way back with other links, like when I added recovery images and stuff like this, YouTube sees this as some kind of attack or hacking attempt, and they started demonetize my videos. Not all of them, some, but still had an impact. Anyway, they fixed it after I requested a review, but it still took like 2-3 days until this happened, and these 2-3 days were days where those videos had no ads. And yeah, I don't want this to happen in the future, and that's why I have this download page and this website, and every time when I have to add something, I add it here, I announce it on YouTube in videos or in the community or on Telegram, and like this I don't have to modify nothing in the description. And under download you will see a tab called Chrome OS, and this is something that I wanted to make as a video a long time ago, but I always left it for later because there were other stuff to do. But now I have it here as a written guide, and I think that it's much better this way. Here I made this guide, not a guide how to install Chrome OS, a guide what videos to watch and in which order to watch them and so on. And as you can see here in this list, these are older videos that they are still good, still relevant, and if nothing else works you can follow them. But if you have the opportunity, you can skip them and go from here from step 1. Step 1, in my opinion, this is the first video that you have to watch if you want to install Chrome OS, because here, as I wrote in the description, you can find out if your CPU is compatible with Chrome OS, what recovery image you need, and so on. So whoever sees this first before they try to install Chrome OS, this is definitely the first video that you should watch. And then it goes on. How to make a recovery image and what options you have, direct install or dual boot, and the extra for Chrome OS on legacy BIOS, both direct ISO that I've made, that it's in the download section, or how to make it on your own. After that, of course, is how to fix Chrome OS. This is after you install Chrome OS for whatever issues that you have, touchscreen, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, touchpad, internal drives, and so on. Changing kernels, this you can find here, and which in my opinion is the final step, how to update Chrome OS. And I also added this one last important thing that I always seem to forget in all my videos to mention, that most probably 90-something% of the times you cannot install Chrome OS on a low voltage CPU, ultra low voltage CPU, but you can run it from a USB. I always forgot to say this in my videos, and I always had to explain this to everyone in the comment section. And in rest we have the traditional contact form or the about page, and at the about page I had no idea what to write, and this is everything that I came up with, so that's that. So the reason why I made this website was because YouTube always demonetized my videos, some of them, every time when I change something in the description. But this was not the reason why I already had a domain name, even before I was thinking to make a website. The website idea is like maybe 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks. The domain, I have it already since about 2 months. And the reason why is something that you guys ask me a lot in the comment section. And no, I will not say it in this video, but I will say it in the next video, because yeah, if you guys ask me a lot about it, then I have to share it. So I will make a special video about that. Basically, this is it. This is not a big deal, it's not a big website. It's just the beginning. Who knows what will come in the future. If you guys have any ideas about how I could improve this or what I could add in it, please let me know in the comments, on the contact page, on Telegram or whatever. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.